This project is a tool for the Unity game engine. The objective of this tool is to create handcrafted racetracks. As shown in the inspector on the right hand side, there are many values which can be changed by the user. Some of the basic ones are at the top with the track mesh, curb mesh, the materials and the seed. There are then spline controls and Voronoi controls. The way how this tool works is you must first generate a Voronoi diagram for the tool to create the track from. If we click generate and then display the Voronoi diagram, a Voronoi diagram is made. In this Voronoi diagram there are several settings which can be changed, such as the size you want, the number of sites to be generated, and even the number of cells to include in the racetrack. After a Voronoi diagram has been made to your liking, you may then generate the spline. The spline, similar to the Voronoi diagram, can be generated any number of times, as all of this is procedural, so a new spline will be made. After a spline has been generated of your liking, you can see it in more detail. If there are any edge cases to the spline, as this spline here currently is using a cat-marong algorithm for all the bends, you even have the option to modify any control point. This was added for this reason, as sometimes people want to change what their spline will look like. With this ability, people are not tied down to what the tool makes alone. They are able to edit what has been made. After editing has been finished, and the spline is to the user's liking, and it is applied, they then are able to click generate. After the track has been generated, a new game object shall be spawned in the scene with the track seed and all the components needed. The user can simply enter a new folder name and click save, and a new folder will be generated. This folder contains the curb mesh, a prefab of the track, and a track mesh.